Hello, Miss Margaret. Janet, is you that? Mommy sent me for the letters. Oh yes, me have them right here, so let me make sure sort them. And more of the letters right over there, so right by the cookie tin. You see the cookie tin right there, so on the counter? You can take it. It have some nice cookies in there.
But is sewing thing supposed to be in the cookie tin? If cookies in there, that means something wrong with the cookies. Why is she looking at the papers like that? I'm going to look in there, but I'm going to be vigilant. Cookies actually in there. Something alright, yeah, so. And I know that she don't like mommy because his mommy always bake the Christmas cake for church. And when Barrel did come, mommy never give her anything out of the barrel. So she trying to get back at mommy through me. Why she opening her eyes wide like that? But anybody see me dying trial? A poison, she a try poison me.
Miss Margaret? Yes, it's okay. I'm not going to take the cookies. Why are you not taking them? Mommy said that I must eat from people.